In this video in details how to replace cabin filter on Ford Super Duty 4th generation 2017 up to 2020 year models. Without further ado, let's get started. First, cabin filter is located behind your glove compartment door. Let's open the glove compartment as usual. Press one side in and press another side in to release the latches. Line up a pin on the right hand side with the opening. As you can see, I'm using a screwdriver to pry it down to release the damper and pull it out. As you can see, self-explanatory. This way we can open the box all the way down, and now I'm pulling the one side in and dropping entire box all the way down. Now we have a much better access. As you can see, there is a filter, but we cannot get to it yet. Let's remove the panel. All right, pop the upper glove box as well, emptied it out, whatever is there, and now we have to remove this rubber panel. I'm using a plastic trim tool called a plastic pry bars and carefully pry it behind. There's a clips holding this rubber trim panel. Remove that. As you can see, on the back we have 1, 2, 3 plastic clips. Be careful not to break them. I'm using a plastic pry bars. Make sure I won't leave any scratch mark on a panel. Okay, 7mm socket. Let's remove those two 7mm. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, click that subscribe button, appreciate it there, and also notification bell. That way you won't miss any videos I'm uploading daily. Pull the screws out and our plastic pry bar to help. As you can see, we have more clips to release. I'm started at the center. That way it's much easier to get the even pressure applied instead of starting on one side and working my way to the side. Pretty simple. And I'm going to the left, and now I'm able to pull it up by hand. Just wiggle it carefully, don't force it, and it will get popped out. As you can see, it's cooperating. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard to break it loose. Not a big of a deal. All right, it's almost there, and we're just setting it aside. Here's our airbag off and on switch. We're not unplugging that, otherwise we're risking to set airbag light on. Here we go. Here's our air filter housing and front door, which we have to release and pull it out. There's a 2 latches on both sides. Release those ones, and here's a filter itself. Pay attention to the airflow orientation arrow, which is on the right hand side. It's pointing down. That's the way it installed from the factory. By the way, this is the first time, unfortunately, this filter has been replaced. Well, you have to replace it regularly, at least once a year, I would say. But we'll get to it later in details. All right, as you can see, it's dirty. Your health of your family matters. Don't breathe dirty, polluted air. It's not safe. Replace the filter regularly, and it also saves your AC system. Okay, here's the replacement part. Here we go. I'm using Fram. I pick it up this one from the local automotive store. Fram Febreze. Yeah, it's good quality filter. Part number is CF. Yeah, and also it only cost me $26.89 Canadian. Well, before assembling everything, Frank to help. There's a Windex. There's just a glass cleaner. Spraying on a rag, and I'm going to wipe all that dust which build up inside the compartment. Yeah, I don't want to assemble dirty. Yeah, just wipe it. Takes only 10 seconds. Clean, nice, tidy before getting everything put back. I like when it's all better than it was before. Guys, if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below. Okay, I'm going to turn the key to the on position and crank my fan speed just for demonstration purposes to show you the air flow. Yes, you don't have to do it. This is only for the visual purpose to show you which way it's actually blowing the air. As you can see, it's sucking air down. Yeah, I'm just putting a piece of paper, and that's your airflow. Blows from the top down. Yeah, you can see. Oh, this is a way we're going to install the filter. And filter has a mark showing the airflow direction. Very important, otherwise your filter won't do the best filtrating job, capturing small particles. Okay, I'm going to turn the key off. We're good. And this was a demo. Alright, here's a filter, and we have the airflow arrow. Yeah, easy to find. Any filter has that markings. Guys, if this video is helpful, informational, educational, or maybe just interesting to watch, put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. Okay, time to put a new filter in. You see there is a slots where filter should slide. Let's do that. See how I'm pushing it in, lining up, make sure it's not twisted or bent at the side, and it will go all the way. The housing is made for this side of the filter. This filter is for Ford Super Duty, 4th generation, built between 2017 up to 2022. Nice. Now I'm going to put a door back, same way as we removed. We're placing everything back. If you would like to support my small hobby YouTube channel, you can buy me coffee. Thank you so much for doing that. Link will be down in the description under the video. Line up bottom latches, and those retaining clips will lock up, holding the door in. Yeah, something like that. Nice and easy. Yeah, all in place. Beautiful. I like it. Easy design. I wish it could be more accessible. Unfortunately, so many people even don't know that filter even exists. And I have a masking tape sticker when filter was replaced. Next time I'm doing it, I know exactly. And in a city, it might be less pollution, but check it out. Replace it, put a new one. They are cheap, as you could see. All right, same way as we remove those panels, I will speed up, forward everything to put panels back, line up those clips, press them in. They will, yeah, they'll get in easy. Put everything in place. Well, in a few seconds we'll get back to the official Ford recommendation manual, how often you should replace the filter according to the manufacturer specifications. Yeah, assembly is in reverse to disassembly. Okay, here's the manual. You got the same one with your truck, and replace your filter, cabin filter, frequently, every 8,000 kilometers, every 5,000 miles. I would say depends how much you drive in conditions. Probably once a year at the best. That's what I will do on my truck. And yeah, if you off-road hard in dusty conditions, probably have to do it twice a year. But half a year we have a winter, not that much dust. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Appreciated your time. Take care, everybody. Take care of your vehicle, and your vehicle will take care of you. See you soon. See you next one. Bye bye.